Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from group number 4 and we want to present about case study analysis quality management at construction project. So this is our group members. First, Nur Izzati Mawadah, Nur Atirah, Nur Syahida, Syamina, Muhammad Hazim, Fatin Amirah, Muhammad Taufik and Muhammad Hakimi.
Okay, next, we would like to share about the case study synopsis. Okay, what is Quality Management System, QMS? The definition is all activities of the overall management function that determine the quality policy, objective, and responsibilities and implement them by means such as quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement within the quality system. It could be implemented either at the organization level or at the project level itself. Its goals are to ensure that construction projects are successfully completed within the constraint of best quality, stated period, and at minimum possible cost. Okay, next, there are two keys for client satisfaction. First, quality management system. A quality management system is a collection of business processes focused on consistently meeting customer requirements and enhancing their satisfaction. It is aligned with an organization's purpose and strategic direction. Second, quality in construction. It is necessary to appreciate why quality should be important for construction and the benefits it can bring, not only in eliminating defects, but the way in which it can help enhance profit and drive improvement. Next, I will pass to Taufik.
According to Lydia 2010, quality planning guidelines are assist consultant, subcontractor and supplier in quality planning for the project. Second, define the quality system goal, minimize the effort required to amend document, set up quality system development team to produce a plan, and last, ensure that the quality planning task is always focused on the customer need. Next, the quality management system has three phases. First, quality planning. Begin by identifying the quality required by customer or stakeholder. Make sure that the process by which the company manage the that quality is acceptable to the customer or stakeholder. Second is quality assurance. Have a system in place, like a process checklist or a project audit to ensure that the quality of your deliverable align with customer or stakeholder requirement. Last, quality control. Monitor quality through every phase of the process and have metric to make sure quality standards are being met. If is it not meeting expectation, adjust to set the quality back on track.
This is the analysis that we found in the case study. The quality tool used at the construction project. The respondent show that the most used are the checklist, the less used with the scatter diagram, and the check sheet are the most common use. So why the respondent choose the checklist? So checklist is very important for keeping project on track and sharing the status update with the stakeholder. So they will help all the individual tasks and automate the workflow. So when the industry have the digital checklist, they will have an impact more any than other industry, especially in the construction where the risks are high. So construction checklist is a set of items or activity that a site in charge must verify, check and inspect to ensure the systematic progress of a project. So this is a very great tool that can help optimize and organize any construction project in many ways. So the checklist is very to ensure the proper construction, which is the construction activities involved in the regular sequence of operation that needed to be checked at each level. So this will provide the documentation of each procedure, visual inspection, field survey, and laboratory testing data that can be gathered using the checklist. So next, I pass to the member.
Next, for the quality control measures used on site, the respondent chooses the quality of workmanship in all construction activities. Quality workmanship is a comprehensive approach to bolster the durability, serviceability, and safety aspect of the construction. Quality workmanship prepares the employees and workmen to meet the challenges of the changing time and conditions in the construction site. Poor workmanship will lead to construction defects. So if the building itself already has a defect, it could harm the occupants as there is no safety characteristic. Next.
Next, we also analyze from the case study is about the quality management during planning and designing phase of construction projects. Observe regular schedule is the most important. Observation schedules provide clear guides for focusing, observation, and recording data. In studies involving more than one observer, they allow for tests of encoder, reliability, and serve to enhance consistency among observers. Next.
Okay, in this case study, the respondent found a barrier of working a project team with respect to quality, which means what barrier that highlight in the question project. So the respondent highlight the lack of customer focus. So why customer focus is very important in this project and why it have a barrier? Customer focus means putting your customer needs first. When the business have a customer focus, they will dedicate to enhancing customer satisfaction and building a strong customer relationship. So by completing a work from a client focus standpoint, we make sure representing our company, which often leads to additional work from the same client. It also leads to earning work with other companies who are involved in the project. So how we want to make the project with customer focus? We need to keep the dialogue open, which means that have a constant communication between the client and the contractor. The contractor can share updates, issue insight about the project, while the client can give recommendation or opinion. So this way, we make the approval much more smoother and faster. So next, I pass to another member.
In addition, we also analyze importance of quality management system at construction projects. The most important is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is an important factor in the development of the construction process and customer relationship. As construction companies face increasing competition, greater attention continues to be placed on customer relationships and satisfied customers. Customer satisfaction enables construction companies to differentiate themselves from their competitors and create sustainable advantage. Next.
So the last one is the test conducted on materials on site and their schedule. The respondent choose the test report from supplier, which is the most important because it is critical for the viability and safety of a construction project in meeting requirements of regulatory agencies. The test report is to reveal any number of issues related to construction quality, highlight future risks, help classify a building site, and assist with engineering decisions. It also helps to understand and quantify whether a specific material is suitable for a particular application. Next.
I'm going to talk about the reflection. Why this survey is conducted. Construction companies should adopt a more positive approach to develop the quality management of their work. The three steps model of methodology were used in conducting the survey, which are quality planning, quality control, and quality assurance. Next.
In this case study, the number of questions will be asked to them, and the various optional points for some questions are provided. The respondents have to rate these points on a 5-point rating scale. The scale description is as 5 for very strong, 4 for strong, 3 for moderate, 2 for less, and 1 for very less. And then the respondents are the project manager and project engineer at the construction projects with experience not less than 15 years.
What did we learn? First, satisfaction of all stakeholders in the industry, better understanding on quality control procedure, and satisfaction of client.
A suitable quality control method for the project, development of the quality of strength in construction, and total quality management at construction projects. We can conclude that this case study is important because we can see how to handle the quality management system at construction projects. That's all from us. Thank you.